Top 5 Beaches in Montego Bay. One sad thing about Montego Bay is that most of the best beaches have all-inclusive hotels built on them. So unless you're staying at the hotel, you won't have access. But if you're not staying in an all-inclusive or beachfront hotel, there are still a few places that you can go and have a great beach day. Here are 5 of the best beaches in Montego Bay that allows access to the public. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Number 5. Dead End Beach. Dead End Beach is located at the end of Mobay's Hip Strip, Gloucester Avenue. It's a public beach, so there is no admission fee and no facilities such as bathroom or shower. It's literally on the side of the road, separated by a knee-high wall. But because it's at the end of a dead-end road, there isn't much traffic as you would probably imagine. There is no restaurant or bar for you to get drinks from, but in public spaces in Jamaica, there's always a vendor nearby. The water is crystal clear, as you'd expect from Jamaica's north coast. Number 4. Dump Up Beach. Despite the name, this is actually a really nice beach. As the name suggests though, this beach was created as a part of an expansion project in Montego Bay in the 1970s. It's a government-owned beach and is open to the public free of cost. This is where the locals hang out, so if you're visiting Montego Bay and in an adventurous mood, check it out. You might just have the day of your life. Number 3. Aqua Sol Beach Park, otherwise called Walter Fletcher Beach. If you're coming to Montego Bay on a cruise ship, Aqua Sol will be the closest beach to the port. One benefit is that it has way fewer people on ship days, so you won't feel clustered. It's a family-oriented setup with water slides, go-karts and other kiddie entertainment, so if you have kids in your crew, they'll certainly enjoy it. Though the water is great and the beach is decent, the grounds and facilities are in need of maintenance. They also keep a lot of parties here, so don't be surprised if there is loud music playing when you go there. Number 2. Cornwall Beach. Unfortunately, the Cornwall Beach has been bought by the Royal Decameron hotel chain and is no longer open to the public. If you want to access this beach, you'll have to pay for a day pass from the hotel. Nonetheless, it's a really nice white sand beach with warm blue water. Now that it's owned by the hotel, you can expect the bathrooms and facilities to be in tip-top shape. There are many brand new beach chairs and umbrellas all around, so you won't have a problem claiming a comfortable spot for yourself. Number 1. Doctor's Cave Beach. Doctor's Cave Beach is located on Montego Bay's Hip Strip. It's about 10 to 15 minutes drive from the Donald Sangster Airport. It's a private beach, so expect to pay an entrance fee. But in exchange for your entrance fee, you get a near-perfect beach, with the cleanest restrooms you'll find on a beach. There are also ample lounge chairs and umbrellas for rent. There's a nice beach bar and restaurant that has free Wi-Fi access. They have a great fish burger and I've heard great things about their jerk chicken. With turquoise, clear waters and soft white sand, this is one of the best beaches in Jamaica. The drawback though is that it gets very crowded on ship days and there's always someone trying to sell you a bracelet or braid your hair. Thank you again for joining me guys. I really do hope you found this video informative. If so, please do remember to give it a thumbs up. That's showing that you like the video. And remember, you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button. And do remember that in order to get all my updates, you turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. So until then, I am Alex, just saying bless.
Slow